Hello, great family. This is Stephen Gariba, the plants ambassador, the practicing herbalist, the herbal educator, and the herbal researcher. Today, I want us to look at one of the most powerful plants that is good for those battling with asthma, pneumonia, cough, cold, and many other respiratory implications. The name is Blue Vervain. Yes, the scientific name is Stachytarfeta indica. This herb on your screen here is very powerful. See, you just have to gather plenty of the fresh leaves like this, dry them in the room for up to a week, then you boil this and take 250 ml 30 minutes before or after meals. Yes, repeat same in the evening. You can take this tea for up to 6 weeks or even 12 weeks. And this simple tea you are taking is going to do wonders for you when it comes to those battling with pneumonia, tuberculosis, cold, nervous diseases, bronchitis, asthma, cough, catarrh. And see, when it comes to heart related issues like those battling with stroke, or you want to do away with stroke in your life. Nobody wish to be done with stroke. Yes, so taking this herb can prevent stroke. Is very good for stroke patients as well. Treats blood cancer, which we normally call it leukemia. Yes, a lot of research has proven so. Very powerful for diabetic patients, good for sore throat, throat irritations. When it comes to rheumatism, arthritis, sciatica, gout, blue vervain is a powerful herb. See, very good for those battling with chronic liver implications, good for kidney and gallbladder stones, treats headache, especially chronic headache, those battling with migraines. Blue vervain is very powerful, very good for lactating mothers, improve sex drive in men. This is the blue vervain herb I'm talking about. Once again, I am Stephen Garba, the plants ambassador, the practicing herbalist, the herbal educator, and the herbal researcher. Follow our pages on Facebook, Zerba-Ne TV, on YouTube, Zerba-Ne TV, on TikTok, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. See, let's come together to grow this family so we can learn more about African indigenous medicinal plants. Till we meet again on another side, stay safe and bye bye for now.